Fear is a strange thing. Most of the time, it's not coming from anything actually dangerous. It's coming from a story about what might happen, what people might think, who you might lose, who you might become. And yet, it feels completely real because it's not in your head, it's in your body. Today we are going to talk about how humming can help you work with that. Welcome back. This is part 4 of the series of humming meditation. So far, we've covered what this practice is, the science behind it, and how to actually do it. Today, I want to go to the heart of why I think this practice matters. Not just as a relaxation technique, but as a real tool for personal change. Here is something I believe deeply. Most of the things that hold us back in life are not really about a lack of information or a lack of ability. They are about fear, and specifically fear that has settled into the body. Fear of judgment, fear of being truly seen, fear of changing and losing who you thought you are. These things don't just live in our thoughts, they live in our muscles, our breath, our gut, in the way we hold our shoulders, in the way we hesitate before speaking. Talking about fear helps. Understanding it helps. But at some point you have to go into the body because that's where the fear actually lives. When you hum, you are doing a few things simultaneously. You are activating your nervous system. You're activating your vagus nerve, which signals safety to your nervous system. You are introducing a physical vibration that literally moves through the tissues of your body. And you are doing something even more fundamental. You are making sound. You are taking up space. You are saying with your whole body, I am here. For people who have spent years making themselves smaller, staying quiet, holding back, not wanting to be much, that act of humming can be surprisingly powerful. Even a little confronting at first. Here is a practice to try. The next time you feel fear coming up before an important conversation, a creative risk, a moment of real vulnerability, instead of trying to think your way through it, try this. Sit down, put one hand on your chest, breathe in, and on the exhale, directly into the fear. Not to make it go away, not to push it down, just to be present with it, with sound, with the vibration. You are not fighting the fear, you are sitting with it. You are saying, I feel you, and I'm still here. There is something important about using your own voice as a tool, because the voice is one of the first things you will learn to suppress. As children, we learn quickly that sounds are acceptable, what emotions are allowed, when we should be quiet. Humming bypasses all of that. It's not performance. It's just sound, just vibration. And in that simplicity, there is a kind of freedom. Over time, with consistent practice, many people find that they begin to feel more comfortable in their own skin, more able to stay present with the discomfort rather than from it, more connected to themselves. That's not a small thing, that's everything. In the final video of this series, we are going to talk about how to make this a daily habit. Because like any practice, the magic is in consistency. Not in doing it perfectly, but in doing it regularly. Until then, try the fear practice I described. Just once, notice what happens in your body. You might surprise yourself. See you in the final video.